Okay, so I know you probably watched our intro, and you know what? I want to just kind of give you a better idea exactly what we do. We purchase tax liens in the best states that we can, the ones that have the most favorable rates or the most opportunity for getting the properties, because one of our number one things is getting properties we can foreclose on at anywhere from 10 cents to 50 cents on the dollar, resell it, and then the profits go back in our pool, and we pay out whatever we promised to you, percentage-wise, to per person. So not only do you earn interest, you're going to get a percentage of the profits every year. So this would actually make your ROI go off the chain. Tax liens are safe. They're in first position. You can't actually take my property or my lien away because I am higher than a bank note. We wipe out all liens when we foreclose, and others than an earthquake or a volcano or the United States being taken over by China. These tax liens are going to be here like they have been from the beginning of this country, and you can't probably get a safer. Like I said, everything has risk because crazy things can happen. But in generally speaking, the tax liens have first position. Banks can't wipe them out. So I'm either going to get my interest or I'm going to get the property, and I'm going to sell the property at a profit. If there's a bank note on the property, guess what? They're going to have to pay me my interest and get the lien released, or they're going to have to give me the house. There's no other options. There is no other way they can do it. So that's why we work in this field. I like real estate, but I like this part of real estate even better. This is just a little more information so you understand what we do. And, I'm going to run you through a couple of these liens so you can actually see them. This is a parcel attached to another house. He probably didn't pay the tax that year. We could bid on it starting at a 150. In Indiana, they actually have a bid up process, so I could end up paying more. But as long as I don't bid more than this property is worth, not worth, but I'd look at this and say, okay, if this property's worth 10,000, I'm willing to bid up to 2,000, 20 cents on the dollar, because I'm figuring the cost of an attorney if I have to foreclose on that property, and then I want to sell it the next day at a wholesale price. So that's how we do it. I'm going to go through a couple more. Don't mind my phone ringing. Here's another big piece of property, vacant ground. Somebody's looking for a piece of land. This would be great to sell them. The tax lien's $150. Now, we would actually zoom in, see where it is, see if it has access. If I think I can get this for $4,000 and sell it, for 25, that's what we do. Let me give you another one. We do a lot in Arizona, Indiana. I'm just going to scroll through some of these so you can see how we buy these. That's got a house on it, so we would definitely be interested in that. Probably wouldn't have much interest in that. I don't know where it is. But we just basically look at the value. That's an easement, so I know not to buy that. We send somebody by to check out the property. We put it on our list. We bid on it, and we keep the ones that we won, and we put them in this pool. And you can get in the pool with as little as $1,000. We actually might start another pool with lesser amounts, but right now you can get in with $1,000 if you qualify with your income. So I just wanted to give you an idea of visibly how we do this. This is another big chunk of land. So rather than you have to go out and do all this yourself, get the list, go to the state, drive by the property, hire an attorney. You can only do so many that way. We can do it a lot of them that way because we have a system. So look me up. I'll have the link on our website to the portal where you can actually get in. The money goes into a fund. It actually goes to a trust account in a bank, and then it's released to us when we're ready to buy the liens and we've met our funding criteria. Talk to you soon. Give me a call or look me up on the website and drop me an email if you have any more questions. We're very transparent, and I'm looking forward to talking to you. So there's another one right there that you can see. That's a nice piece of property. And you know what? Guess what? I always look at the next door neighbor. If this guy can buy his land at 50 cents on the dollar, and I can sell it to him because I got it on 20 cents on the dollar, you know what? That's a good deal all day long. Either that or I get my money back with the interest. Have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.